Well, good morning, and I want to take a minute to go over. There were some questions in one of my viewers that asked about what a mesoscale convective vortex is and what a mesoscale convective system is. Okay, so I'm going to start off. This is a brief explanation, not a lot of in the weeds details, but what you're looking at here is infrared satellite. This is from the CBIS website, just a article they put out showing what it looks like on satellite. Okay. If you look at the satellite, you can clearly see this blow-up of convection here, okay? So we open this up, and this is just a loop here real quick. You see it blowing up here. It's kind of a slow loop, but it takes a minute. But you see convection exploding here, okay? And that's what you often see with these systems as they intensify. This is in the overnight hours of June 2016, and it devolves into kind of a line there, okay? So kind of interesting. In this case, the line of storms that moved to the south here produced very heavy rainfall. This is just a radar image as our system pushed to the south and east. You can make out the cold pool. There's this part of this MCS that drives these systems, right? When you have this cold pool behind it, that usually can help fuel the system. There's a bunch of different factors that go into play here, but that's one of the things you look for on the back side of this. Although it doesn't look like your classic MCS, but you have these lines, bow echo, kind of sagging to the south here on the back side. All right, so as that MCS eroded, right, it dissipated. You see the mid-level circulation here. Very interesting feature here, right? Pretty cool looking. I'll bring this up. Let's see if it'll play. You see the evolution of the convection visible satellite, and then that remnant circulation there, and some storms that fire within that too, like on the right side of it up here. As part of that, it can induce some vorticity in the atmosphere and lead to more severe storms as it decays. You see what happens on the right side of it. Kind of interesting evolution there as well. That's a visible satellite loop. So that's what an MCV looks like on visible satellite. Pretty cool there. And here's another sequence of the visible satellite loop stitched together here. You can see the MCV clearly on visible, right? Although a little less resolution over here. Starts off with some convection associated with it, and that those storms that move this way, you see the remnant circulation there. So that's your leftover circulation there that was part of that whole complex. Not a real in-depth explanation of the meteorology behind it, but I wanted to explain those two terms for folks that don't know. I hope this is useful. Hope you have a great day. And if you need more information, I will also link in the description below for this video to the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center site and this site, so you can look at this more if you want. And appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Any questions or concerns, of course, let me know. And if you don't mind, I would appreciate you either donating to the channel or becoming a Patreon member or something like that. It helps. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have a good day.